edwonti barakuku mikwele edwonti yankuri oje jina gari yen chow oje jina gari yen chow twala Omanbapa.
Good morning, handsome.
Good morning, love.
So, did you enjoy last night?
Of course I did.
Do you want another one? Happy anniversary. Thank you. Good morning. Come here, my princess. How was your night? Have you brushed your teeth?
No.
Okay, come. Let's go up. Let's go. Come.
Alright, see you guys.
All right. Come on, guys.
Where's my wife? Isabella Brimpong. She's in labor.
Oh, okay then, let me take you. Please follow me.
Push! Push! A little harder. Push! Push! Push!
Kwame!
Push!
Kwame! Adiba, please put this in the bin.
You do know that the eggshells don't go in there. Put the right thing in the right place. I'll let you have the hook today. I know the pancakes will be good.
Madiba, take this.
Don't waste water. Use a glass.
Yeah, like she's very committed to the marriage. You can tell. I love you want some.
Oh no, good.
Okay. Yeah, what about you? No, finish your pancake first, okay?
So what are you two doing today?
The plan is...
I was asking you, Dad.
Okay, sorry.
Well, we're having family dinner. 7 p.m.
Count me out. I have that art concert tonight.
Oh, so...
I also have that book club meeting with Grace and Anna, so I guess it's just gonna be you two lovebirds.
And that is perfect. You two kids have fun. Your dad and I will have a jolly good time.
Mommy, what's wrong?
Nothing. The pepper.
The pepper.
Big spread, didn't she?
Here we go. How are you?
Welcome. I didn't get a hug.
Hello, darling.
Yes, dear.
Really?
Happy anniversary.
Oh, thank you.
One of the specials,
Omanbapa.
Okay, bye, baby.
Abua. Otonono.
Okay, bye, baby.
Hey, mene moko biba.
Namobi.
Sweet. Delectable. Next.
Hey, where from you? That guy,
I just can't seem to get enough of him.
Whoa, so he's the one, eh?
Yeah, I think so. But the problem is I'm 4 years older than him.
Girl, just 4. 4 years. 4 is just a number.
It's too much. Anyway, what are you reading?
I'm reading a novel. I took it from the library.
Read.
Yes, I'm reading.
Oh, please.
I do read. Excuse you.
I beg.
Alright, thank you. Sure. Thank you very much. Bye. Hey, fantastic. Anyway, that was your dinner reservation.
Oh, nice.
So, there's a candlelight dinner. After that, you know the...
Please don't spoil me. But really, thank you so much. You are the best little sister anyone can ever have. Thank you. You're too good to me.
You're welcome. You know I'll do anything for you.
You're going to make me.
Okay, please, hurry up. Go and get ready.
Oh.
Go and get ready.
For tonight?
Yes.
It is 14 years of marriage. How good is that? What? Whoop.
Kylie, how do I look?
Where are you going to?
I'm going out.
With this. Go and get something short.
Which one?
Those jean skirts of yours.
That's really short.
That's the point. To bring out those lovely legs of yours. His eyes is going to be on you all night.
How do you know?
Oh yeah.
What about this? No jeans.
Even better. Super. Like it's perfect. One last thing.
Thank you. What?
Need this. Let's give you that hot, sassy look all guys want. Perfect.
Okay. Thank you. See you later.
But you know, you literally spoiled me.
Me?
I remember all the naughty things you used to teach me.
And look where that got you. You married the most eligible bachelor.
Sure.
You have 2 lovely children. And you have a budding career in art sales.
What? Okay, I concede. Your tutorials did work. All the things you got.
Hey, what are you girls up to?
Oh, I love you.
I see a dear you. The man who must be back up. The very good don't slow. The great tighter. Minute. Tighter back up. Bossy back up. Your giddy champion back up. Nana preference. No more fear. Very good don't slow. The man who must be obeyed. Oluma Sakura. The great tighter.
Yo, Charlie, who that? You don't know Cassius? Cassius Mark Tyson.
He be minister or something.
He passed himself.
Hello, my friend. Danny, how are you doing? Okay. No. My credibility is the most important, Danny. Me, Galamse, I own 12 mines in the 15 regions of the country. Okay, that was not a gunshot, it was champagne. I'll speak to you later, okay? Tell them I own 15 mines.
Like the Don Dada himself, everything they pass through him.
So like a connection man?
He passed. He's like a fixer. No, the Godfather himself.
So they can come.
What? Okay, we'll talk later. You tell them that my credibility, okay? Thank you. Yes. Okay. To loyalty, power, and prosperity. See, in this political arena, loyalty is key. Loyalty is key. Because most people will stab you in the back. So those who stay with you through thick and thin should be treasured. They should be treasured, people.
Right.
Yes. Until they also stab you in the back. Yes. Which of you wants to be the politician?
Well, I do.
Well, then we've got some work to do. Yeah, we have got some work to do. Now tell me about yourself.
Well, I was a midwife at the government hospital for 20 good years. Now I run an NGO that educates single mothers about parenting.
Oh, very good. That's a good template to work on.
Sorry?
He means your CV is very good.
Oh.
Yeah. Now, why do you want to be a politician?
I want to serve. Look, I want to serve my people. Simple.
That is good. Good answer. But all politicians say the same thing. Governor, sir.
I'm different anyway.
Very, very impressive.
Charlie, what's he up to with those women?
Need to know basis only. You've been hard to sing. Stay in your lane.
Oh, Charlie, why? I'm a praise singer, so I cannot think. Hey.
Think all you like, but keep it in your head. And if you want to keep this job, which you seem to enjoy so much, you learn to keep your mouth shut.
Oh, you sometimes...
Shh. Guys.
I can see you've built for yourself a very solid profile. Then what do you need me for? Why do you need me?
We are here because your reputation precedes you.
No.
Everybody says you're the godfather. Obiaji.
Yes, yeah.
What do we call? What do we call? Did he tell you about Ogidigidi? Kokudusru? Uluman Sakura? Unabubli?
Well, we need a protector, a financial connector, and a chief advisor all in one before we enter this murky world of politics.
And you believe I fit the bill, eh? I fit the bill. Let me drink to that.
Omanbapa.
$14 years. Time does really fly, huh?
14 glorious years and more to come.
I wonder where we'll be in the next 14 years.
Oh, Madiba and I will definitely be out of the house.
And you'll be the president of Ghana.
Wow. Now that's a big, big leap. A very, very big leap of faith.
But you would be a great president, you know. You are a supreme patriot. You have a very big heart. And you have such great charisma.
Here. And that's if you're ready for the baggage that goes with, or that comes with that terrain like we've been suffering recently.
Greatness does not come cheap. Otherwise, everyone will be great. I'm ready to pay the price for your greatness.
That's so sweet. Good to you.
You see, the problem is we seek the glory but not the pain. But no pain, no gain. Nowhere in the world, no pain, no gain. You are
right.
Yeah. I'm ready to put all my vast resources at your disposal. But the question is, what is in it for me? Yeah. What is in it for me? Me a businessman, pal. Me a businessman. So my ultimate motive is profit. Me dream for so. So what is in it for me? Okay. So maybe I'm smart. Hello. Yes.
Excuse me, just a minute.
We are ready to play ball. To make an omelette. You have to break in some eggs, right?
Well, you seem ready. But the question is she ready? She needs some management. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah. Leave that for me to handle. We have to break her in. Gradually, though. We need her integrity to counter our opponent. Her record matches him boot for boot.
Agreed. But it's very important because people don't win elections by chance. It takes work. You know, every little detail about her, the way she looks, the way she talks, everything has to be on point.
Don't worry, just leave that to me.
I know you're very passionate about fixing the system. I see the joy in your face and your sense of fulfillment anytime you recount work at the council. That is what you live for.
You know, this means a lot to me. Your endorsement. Sometimes I feel I'm leading us to unnecessary strife and tribulations. Danger abounds.
Yet who will bail the cat? Someone must. The world needs more of you. And idealists, especially now. No matter how difficult it may be, you can count on me 100%.
You know, without you, I am nothing. Thank you.
May you enjoy it.
Thanks for lunch.
Oh, you're welcome. You see, I like having lunch with people sitting around me. It's a royal decree. But there's no free lunch anywhere in the world, though. No free lunch. No one can own you. But my pleasure, anyway. My pleasure. No. My pleasure. Good to see you. Okay? Yes.
Okay, so we'll be in touch. All the best.
Thank you. Please make it happen.
I will. Thank you.
But this is your man. He seems to have a certain rough streak. Is he reliable at all?
Just what we need. His money and his muscle.
At what price? He looks like a thug. I don't trust him.
Chin up. Politics is not for the faint-hearted.
Well, but still, I don't trust him.
You see, these are some new designs by my women.
Great.
Orders already coming in. Ooh, someone in Canada ordered 400 pieces.
Wow, you're a genius.
Thank you. The good thing is now that I have people working for me in all regions, the sky is the limit.
Yeah.
And as a wannabe first lady, I have to pull my weight.
You know, your perpetual optimism is palpable. And that's what drives this family, you know.
That. And your strength. And your integrity. We are blessed.
Yeah. You have betrayed me, me feel it. Me and I'm a toy. Yeah. She looks very useful, eh?
Yes, she does.
But we have to break her in.
Yeah.
She looks too clean and too good. You don't know enough of what she be a wife.
We didn't need good leadership. We didn't need need good citizenship and good relationship as well, so that we citizens can benefit from our own natural resources. One of you, my friend, one of you will make this nation great and strong.